A Plaxton Panther PSVAR, wheelchair accessible, 49 seat with a toilet in a lovely shade of green. Look at this. Look at this. This has got steel wheels but lovely chrome wheel trims. The heavily darkened windows. Rear continental door. Now it's a Scania K360. There's the engine in there. Look, you can hear it purring away. Purr, purr, purr. You know, we got, well, as I say about it, it's got driver operated dockers from the outside, and it's a warning, stand clear of the lockers. This takes 6 fixed wheelchairs. So when the lockers come up, there we are. There's a locker space under there. We got plenty of locker space, haven't we? We'll shut that again. In the NS Travel livery, and we got steps here. This one has done a few miles, but as you can hear, it's purring away. Now the front few seats are on quick release and the rest are bolt down. That's the way it's been designed. 49 recliners, curtains, air conditioning refurbished in the summer, toilet and drinks, and toilet and sink and everything. The air conditioning had new condensers in the summer and it had new evaporators last year, so they're good as gold. It's got CCTV fitted. There it is, CCTV unit fitted and all working. You've got camera there, camera over there, all tickety boo. Call Honest Pete if you want to know more about it.